Happy Friday, Royal Family. I am back with part 2 of the Nigerian okra stew. Now we are about to make the FuFu. But Miss O is going to be honest with you guys, and I'm just going to lay it out on the line. This video could have been up at 4 o'clock this afternoon. You remember the yam that I showed you? So I was recording a video how I cut the yam and how I cooked the yam. So as I got ready to do the third step, I kept noticing that the yam kept looking like mashed potatoes. And it wasn't coming together. And I'm like, no, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Because it's supposed to have elasticity and it's supposed to be real shiny. So I finally gave up and said, okay, these are yam potatoes. This is not FuFu. So unfortunately, I had to go back to the African store and I explained to the woman what happened. And she said the yam have to be, you know, the big mallet that you use, kind of like when you have a Mexican, the little things with the, where you pound your spices. That's what you have to do to the yam to get it to turn to FuFu. So I was like, oh my God. I said, I tell you what, do you have any FuFu mixes? She said yes. So Miss O nailed the stew, the FuFu, no. So what she recommended I get, let me show you. This is the neat plantain FuFu. And you see where it say instant? We're going to follow the directions on the back. Look how simple and easy that is. And we're going to have our FuFu. So until I get more skilled in making the homemade FuFu, I'm going to be using this FuFu mix. And also she did state that they have all types of FuFu. So I was needing to know what part of Africa that the stew was being made from. Was it Ghana? Was it... So there was a lot of more information that I did not have. But I promise you, Miss O is going to get the FuFu right. All right. With that being said, I'm going to follow the directions on the box. I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. You can't mess up instant. Now, if I mess this FuFu up, I need to go back to some classes. All right. See you guys in a minute. All right, Royal Family, here is the FuFu here. For me, it's still something that's just not quite right. Maybe once I put it with the stew, it will be better, but I'm finna wrap it up in this saran wrap here. Yeah, I don't know. It's just something not quite right. But, you know, I hadn't had it in a very long time, so we'll see once I put everything together. But I'm going to shape it and put it in a saran wrap. So when I come back, I will show you guys the finished presentation of the Nigerian okra stew with FuFu. And this is how they normally wrap it. Just take it, and I guess it's also forming the ball. And then it will look like this. All right. Let me get the presentation so I can show you guys. Okay, Royal Family. Here is the finished product and presentation of the Nigerian okra stew. The stew is plum banging, I promise you. And I will post the recipe to the stew. I will do it probably tomorrow. I will say, I think a homemade FuFu would be better. So I'm definitely going to work on that. But I'm going to give it a try. I've washed my hands. I have some slime. I just couldn't do that extreme slime. Okay, so I'm going in with my hands. Hold on. Then you're supposed to grab it like this. You see? Okay, I need a piece of beef. I'm gonna do this. Okay, let's go in. There you go. So that is with the FuFu. All right, let me try it. Hold on. Okay. Oh, wow. Not as bad as I thought it would be. I'm going to show you some of the slime. Not a lot, though. You see that? I swear the stew is just magnificent. All right, one more again, one more again. Wow. Very delicious. I kind of surprised myself, honestly. Please share and subscribe. Please hit your bell notification. And thank you so much for watching. You guys stay blessed, stay safe, and until we meet again, God bless you.